fictional movies to shame. Doco rain. Interviewing people is our game. Doco rain. Kino-pravda camera holiday. Doco rain. Cinema-verite bam boom Bombay. Doco rain. Propaganda is our specialty. Doco rain. Making films that make you change your mind. Doco rain. Michael Moore makes docs in Michigan. Doco rain. His greatest fan is Senator McCain. Doco rain. Poetic docs are really avant-garde. Doco rain. Rachel Ray cooks bacon quite a lot. Doco rain. Doc filmmakers go against the grain. Doco rain. They educate as well as entertain. Doco rain. Movie magic, movie history. Doco rain. Finding truth when truth is mystery. Doco rain. Putting fictional movies to shame. Doco rain. Interviewing people is our game.